AI and automation really allows us to know the customer at scale, to know their needs at scale, to be boutique at scale. AI by itself is exciting, but it's got to have real business value at the end of the day for the people that we're trying to serve. It's really exciting to be part of American Fidelity here in Oklahoma City, and the things that we're doing right now I've been thinking about for years, but the technology wasn't there. We just feel so fortunate to serve our customers, and we primarily serve teachers. We serve a lot in the public sector. All of our customer emails, they come into a common queue. When you think about language and you think about natural language processing, there's a lot to that, and it's not just as simple as looking for a few keywords. We took a step back and we said, okay, what could we do from a machine learning perspective? We work with a lot of vendors, we work with a lot of technology. Datarobot's helped us the most. Essentially, we've taught a robot to read email, and it's having real business value. What would have taken us 45 hours got cut down to about 3 seconds. And that's a real value for our customers. A big part of our culture is to create citizen data scientists. Everybody from the exec team to the everyday colleague has really been involved in this process. People think about the mundane, routine, repetitive tasks that they have to get through. Everybody has multiple projects. Everybody's trying to do a lot more than they have time to. This is helping you drop the drudgery. Automation, AI, this has been a real breakthrough for us because it's really opened our eyes to see vendors like UiPath, to see vendors like Datarobot. The combination of RPA and automated machine learning can really help, and that's what's going to propel us forward.